Hey, what's up? Happy Memorial Day. This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Last week, we started talking about Dubsado's features, and one of those features was payment processing, which deals with accepting payments on the front end. And today, we're going to get into the back end and see what Dubsado has to offer for accounting services. So what you can do in Dubsado is you can set up a chart of accounts, which helps you organize your income and expenses. You can set annual or monthly goals for your business. You can also see at a glance anyone who owes you money, so all of your outstanding invoices at the click of a button. And you can also export a profit and loss statement. And all these things are really great for small business owners, solopreneurs, people who have just a few transactions in the month. But honestly, Dubsado's core focus is client management, not financial management. It does have these features so that you can kind of do those things. But my advice would really be to use a third-party software that focuses on financial management, something like Wave or QuickBooks or Xero. There's lots of different options out there that would really be a better fit for managing your bookkeeping and your financial information outside of Dubsado. Dubsado is great for just kind of that quick overview, that quick glance, but for managing that aspect of your business, I would really recommend having a third-party app in addition to Dubsado. So that is accounting. Next week, tomorrow, we are going to be getting into client and project management in Dubsado, which is really Dubsado's bread and butter, the core features that they do really excel at. So it'll be really exciting, and I will see you then.